Welcome back to my channel. In this quick video of Canva, we are going to see how to use a text in Canva. So this is on left side of your edit window and you can tap on that where you can add text. There is a magic right where you can see, you can give some description and it will generate text for you. This is like a chat GPT of Canva. It's very simple and very easy to use. Then you can have a variety of fonts, the keywords you can search and you will get n number of combinations. Also, you can use predefined fonts, headings, subheadings, body and many more. This huge fonts allow you to select into your language, so it can be Hindi, Marathi, English or many more. You just have to go to filter and apply all those filters to this. Later you can change the text color, size, you can make it bold, underline and also give the animations and effects. You can change the color, background color, you can change the spacing and tracing of your words. Then you can apply animations. So n number of animations are available into pro version also and into free version also. You can make a transparency of your text into high and low and it's best. So it's very simple. Canva allows you a variety of options into your text. Go try now. To know more about such ideas and videos about quick Canva, watch this video and I will see you there. Bye.